In 2025, the world of interior design is embracing a fresh wave of color trends that fuse natural elements with bold, artistic statements. Color plays a crucial role in creating moods, enhancing atmospheres, and reflecting individual style in our living spaces. In this voiceover, we'll explore the best color trends set to dominate interiors in 2025, taking you through a journey of palettes that inspire warmth, sophistication, and tranquility. Whether you're remodeling a space or just curious about the latest trends, these colors are sure to elevate any room. Section 1. Nature-inspired palettes. First up, we have nature-inspired color schemes. 2025 brings the outdoors in with earthy tones like muted greens, terracotta, and soft browns. These colors evoke a sense of calm and connection to nature, perfect for creating serene living environments. Expect to see deep forest greens paired with warm, clay-based hues that echo the natural world. This palette not only creates a grounding effect but also brings a timeless elegance to both modern and rustic interiors. In living rooms, kitchens, and even bedrooms, these hues will create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that feels like a retreat from the world outside. Section 2. Soft pastels for tranquility. Next, we look at the soothing trend of soft pastels. While pastel colors have been popular for years, in 2025 they are evolving into more muted, sophisticated versions of their bright predecessors. Think of soft lilacs, muted peaches, and gentle mint greens. These tones have a calming effect, making them perfect for spaces where relaxation is key, like bedrooms or home offices. When combined with natural light, these colors help create an atmosphere of peace and tranquility, helping to reduce stress and promote focus. Whether used on walls, accent furniture, or decor, pastel tones provide a gentle backdrop to both modern and traditional interior designs. Section 3. Bold, statement-making colors. For those who enjoy a bit of drama in their spaces, 2025 introduces bold color choices that make a statement. Shades like rich emerald green, navy blue, and deep charcoal are making their way into interior design. These colors are perfect for accent walls, statement furniture pieces, and even kitchen cabinets. Deep emerald green, in particular, has seen a rise in popularity as it adds a touch of opulence and sophistication to any room. Pair these bold hues with lighter, neutral tones to create balance, and watch your space come alive with personality and depth. Section 4. Earthy neutrals with a twist. While bold colors may capture attention, neutral tones continue to be a staple in interior design. And in 2025, they're taking on a new life. Warm beige, soft taupe, and creamy whites will be seen alongside an unexpected twist. Hints of mustard yellow and warm terracotta. These nuanced neutrals add warmth and character to spaces, making them feel inviting without being overpowering. These shades are versatile, working seamlessly in any room, from living spaces to bathrooms, and can easily be paired with both natural textures like wood and more polished materials like glass or metal for a contemporary look. Section 5. Metallic accents and jewel tones. One of the most exciting trends for 2025 is the rise of metallic accents and jewel tones. Gold, bronze, and copper are making a comeback in interior design, not just in fixtures but in furniture and decor as well. These shiny metals, combined with rich jewel tones like deep amethyst, sapphire, and ruby, create an opulent and luxurious atmosphere. Picture a jewel-toned velvet sofa paired with gold accents, or an opulent copper light fixture hanging above a navy blue dining table. The metallic elements enhance the jewel tones, creating a sophisticated and glamorous look perfect for any modern home. Section 6. Sustainable and mindful colors. Sustainability continues to be a key theme in interior design. And in 2025, colors that evoke mindfulness and eco-conscious living are in high demand. Earthy greens, soft blues, and natural beige tones not only reflect nature but also encourage environmental awareness and balance. As homeowners become more conscious of their carbon footprint, the colors they choose often reflect their values. Incorporating sustainable materials with these mindful colors creates spaces that feel both grounded and intentional. These tones are perfect for creating sustainable, eco-friendly designs that embrace a simple yet stylish approach to living. As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that color is more than just a trend. It's a tool for creating spaces that reflect who we are and how we want to feel in our homes. Whether you're drawn to the calming influence of nature-inspired greens, the elegance of jewel tones, or the coziness of warm neutrals, there's a color palette for everyone. With these best color trends for interiors, the year 2025 promises to bring harmony, vibrancy, and sophistication into our living spaces. So, what color will you choose to define your home in the coming year?